Hello everyone. In this session we'll see how to do the screen enhancement for the transaction code MM01 that is used for the creation of material master. Here we'll be adding the new fields on the basic data 1 screen. So before doing that, have a look at MM01 transaction code. This is the MM01 basic data 1 screen. Here we can see the last block is basic data tags. So below that we will be adding our new fields. So as there is no body or user exits for adding the material master screen fields, so it is done through combination of SPRO plus ABAP coding. So the steps involved are: very first we have to add a custom fields in the Mara table using the append structure, that is also called as the data dictionary enhancement. After that we have to create a function group through SPRO. When you create a function group through SPRO, by default it gets two screens, 0001 and 0002. We have to add our new fields on the 0001 screen. After that we have to write our logic for the PBO and PI module. After finishing this, again we have to add our custom screen in the standard data screen with SPRO. Then we can check the modification. So let's do this step by step. So very first point is add the custom fields in the Mara table. Go to SC11, enter table as Mara, click on append structure, click on create. Here enter the name as ZZ area, give the description RERA areas. Here we will add our component. One field is carpet area, ZZ carpet. Type I am taking as mange_d. Second will be ZZ sellable area. Again this will be of same type. As this is a quantity field, we have to give the reference. Here I am giving EKPO, means here same EKPO, means save, give the package name and activate. This may take some time for the activation. So here we have completed the first part, that is add custom fields in Mara table with append structure. So what is the next part? Creation of function group with the SPRO. So once this is activated, we'll go for that. This will take some long time because it will adjust all the tables where the Mara is used. Now, okay, this is done. We can see our new fields at the bottom of Mara. Here we can see our new fields, ZZ carpet and the sellable area. Now we are done with this step. Now go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, logistic general, material master, configure the material master. Here create program for customize subscreen. Look at here, give the function group name. The standard function group is MGT1. Okay, so here we'll give name as ZMGT3. Okay, short text subscript for the material master. Click on save package. I have my one request. I will restore in same. We'll use the same request. Now the function group ZMG3 was created. What we have to do then? Go to SATT code, select function group as ZMGT3. So this is blue, it is inactive. So right click and activate this. So as I told you, by default it will create two screens. That is a blank service screen and that is table control definition, do not use. Okay, and these are two includes. So what we have to do, we have to add our fields on 0001 screen as given the steps. Add new fields on 0001 screen. Okay, so this will do. Double click here, go to change mode, click on layout button, select a box from here, select a box, give the box heading as area. Okay, this is the box. Now take two text element. One is that is carpet area, and second one will be the sellable area. Do the proper sellable area. Okay, now okay, first save. Now click here, that is dictionary oblique program field windows. Select the table Mara -ZZ get from dictionary. Here we can see our new fields, that is the carpet area and the sellable area. Select both the fields, drag and drop on the screen, remove this name, okay. Now what we want, in case of MM03 transaction code, the field should be in display mode, and to make the field display mode, first we will assign some group here. Double click here, give any group name, let's say Z1. Also to this field, that is Z1. Okay, save, check and activate. Now after that, we have added our fields on the 0001 screen. We have to write logic for PPO and PAI. For that, module, that is modify screen. In case of MM03 transition code, we have to show fields in the display mode. Okay. Always activate. Double click. PPM module modify underscore screen does not exist. Create object. Yes. Create in a new include. Now here, what we'll do, if site equal contain string 3 because all the display transition code are end up with 3. What we have to do? Loop ID screen and loop if screen group 1 equal to z1. We have given at the screen level. Okay, if the group is z1, what we have to do? Screen input equal to 0. This will be only display mode. Modify screen, save, check and activate. Again go back. Now write the PPO module get underscore data. Save and activate. Double click here. Click on yes. We'll use the same include program. Now here, as this is the PPO logic, in the PPO which get triggers before the screen appear. So what we want to do here? Okay, so as this is a separate function group, okay, and standard function group is different. So we have to read the data from the screen to our function custom screen. For that, there is a standard function module given. Go to pattern, Mara get underscore sub. Call this function module. Just copy this as it is. Okay, star Mara L underscore Mara. All those work area are by default declared in this top include. Okay, we don't have to do anything here. Okay, now again go back. Now PIO, what system will do in the PIO module modify underscore data. Double click here. Doing the same include. Now here what we have to do, let me copy the variable first, then I will explain you. First declare two local variable, that is LV underscore carpet area and LV underscore sellable area. Reference to the fields which we have added using the append structure in the table Mara. Okay, this is the carpet area and this is the sellable area. Declare two local variable. Now assign the value of Mara, means from the screen when we enter the value. Okay, after pressing the enter, the Mara values of those two fields we are assigning to the local variable. Okay, after that again we have to call the same function group. Okay, so what we have to do, click on pattern. This is straightforward procedure. We have to apply any logic. It is given by the standard configuration. Call this function module. Okay, uncomment this variables, importing parameters, that is Mara, star Mara, L Mara. Okay, this will get the data from the screen. Again, write on the logic as it is. For any number of fields, we have to do in the same way. There is no any complex logic for this. Just copy the concept as it is. This is a standard procedure for adding the custom fields on the screen. Now, once we assign the values from the local variable to the Mara fields, then we have to use set data. There is one more function module called as set data. Click on pattern, Mara underscore set data. Okay, this function module to be called, and we have to give the work area, that is Mara. Save, check, and activate. Okay, go back. So what we have done, first on the layout we have added our custom field, then we have created this modify screen, then we have done for get data. After that we have done for this PIA module. Okay, now here you can see this is in blue color, which is not activated. Okay, so for the activated screen, for the safer side, always this is inactive, always activate the function group from top level. So this will activate all the objects inside the function group. Okay, so in this way we have done with first part, then second part, then the third steps, and now with the fourth steps. Now the next is the assigning of custom screen in the standard data screen with SPRO. For that, again in the SPRO, logistic general, material master, configure the material master. Here you can see define structure of data screen for each screen sequence. Click here, select the screen sequence as 21, double click on data screen. Now we want to add our fields in the basic data 1. Select here, double click on subscreen. Here you can see at the sequence number 8, the screen number is 0001, on which we have added our fields. But here the function group is MGT1, but we have created a function custom function group, that is ZMG3. So what we have to do in the SPRO, we have to replace this with our custom function module, that is ZMG D3. Okay, keep the first SAP L as it is, and then add our function group by keeping the same screen number. Press enter, save a request. This will be the customizing request. Okay, now go back, come out of SPRO, come out of the function group. Now go to MM01 code, select the industry sector and the material type, press enter. This is basic data 1. Give the description, test. Now here come down, so you can see our new fields are here, that is carpet area and sellable area. Enter some value. Do you want to save? Yes. As you recently did enhancement, that's why system show these messages. Okay, the material 11006224 created. Now go to display mode, that is MM03. whether the data is there. Yes, the data is there, that is 1400 and 1900. Now go to MM02, just change the value, let's say 1800. Here we will do 1250. Save. Again go to MM03. Here you can see the new values. Okay, so in this way we have seen how to do the material master screen enhancement with the help of SPRO and ABAP coding. So in this way we have finished our this session of SAP ABAP enhancement for the MM01 transition code. Thank you.